Hi YouTube, it's Alan Sugano. I'm the president of ADS Consulting Group, and today's tip is probably, hopefully pretty obvious, but if you have a server and it's running in your environment, it kind of needs to be backed up on a regular basis. I hear like, oh, it's just a utility server. Oh, if we had to, we could rebuild the server. I understand you could rebuild the server from scratch. You probably could. But do you really want to ride that train right at 3 o'clock in the morning when you're trying to get everything up from some kind of catastrophic failure? Oh, wait, you're already on fire. I'm already on fire. Let me pour some gas on myself because evidently I'm not burning bright enough because I need to rebuild all these 10 machines that weren't properly backed up. Even though I could do it, it could add days and even weeks to your recovery time. So our philosophy is that if the server is running, it needs to be backed up. No exceptions. End of discussion. Needs to be backed up. And I would argue that, and not that we would do this, but I would say, okay, so it's not that important. Well, let's just shut it down right now and see what, wait, what do you do? What do you do? That's going to be so disruptive. I go, that's my point, right? Do you really want to spend another 4, 5, 6 hours rebuilding the server from scratch? Sounds to me like a bad idea. So bottom line here is, if you have a server, it needs to be backed up. End of story. No discussions. And that is kind of our philosophy. So if you like this content, please hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button. If you need help making sure your IT infrastructure is up to snuff, you can send an email to info@adscon.com. Thanks a lot for listening. Stay safe out there, and we'll talk to you soon.